Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Holographic hair is the hottest hair trend of 2020. Would you wear the colors of the rainbow in your hair? Yes? Well, you will definitely be a fan of the latest trend. Instagram celebrities have gone crazy for the new holographic hues, and this is probably one of the most beautiful artwork we've seen these days. To get the opalescent and color-shifting effect, you need to use multidimensional metallic or pastel hues. In her interview with Modern Salon, Redken colorist Chiala Marvici explained that she uses a special technique called hand-pressed coloring. Wonderful. This technique uses methods similar to screen printing. Colorists apply different dyes to a sheet of plexiglass and then press a section of hair onto the glass. That's how the dye gets onto the hair. The process is repeated several times using pink, blue and lavender hues on different sections of hair. Sometimes the patterns are applied on the same section to intensify the color. It may seem strange, but this technique is faster and easier to use than balayage and other fancy options. Hairstylists have the freedom to experiment with different sections of hair, turning it into something beautiful. Just a small number of hairstylists have learned this technique, but Marvici may soon add new students to her class. We believe the new trend will stay around for a while. Of course, this trend only works on light hair, preferably blonde or gray. Keep this in mind before you make an appointment. Are you ready to bleach your hair? If yes, this is the trend you need to follow at the moment. It's so in. If your hair is already gray or blonde, congratulations, you are halfway there. A lot of stylists are expected to experiment in their salons. You need to be an artist to pull out something like this. Only magicians can do magic, remember?